Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin says first Europe assembled F35A for Poland completes maiden flight in Italy. Lockheed Martin said July 24 that the first F35A Lightning II assembled in Europe for the Polish Air Force had completed its maiden flight in Italy. The aircraft is the first Polish F35A produced at the European Final Assembly Facility in Camary. Poland ordered 32 F35A fighters, with production split between the United States and Italy. 16 aircraft are to be delivered from Lockheed Martin's Fort Worth plant in Texas, while the other 16 are to come from Camary. Lockheed Martin has delivered 11 F-35s to Poland so far. Poland has designated the aircraft Hussars for service with its Air Force. 8 of the delivered aircraft remain at Ebbing Air National Guard Base in the United States. They are being used to train Polish pilots and ground crews. 3 F-35s arrived in Poland in May, starting the process of introducing the aircraft into service inside the country. More jets are expected to arrive in the coming weeks, including the final 5 Polish aircraft assembled in Fort Worth. The delivery schedule will increasingly shift Poland's program toward the Camary production line. The first flight of the Europe-assembled aircraft marks the start of that phase. Camary serves as the European final assembly site for the F-35 program. The facility is also set to become one of the main centers for maintenance, repair and overhaul work on F-35 Lightning II aircraft already delivered to operators. That role reflects Italy's participation in the Joint Strike Fighter industrial program. It gives the facility responsibilities in both aircraft assembly and long-term support. Camary has already delivered F-35 aircraft to Italy and the Netherlands. The facility is also expected to supply F-35s to Switzerland and Romania. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.